Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bulk remove assignees from your Clickup tasks. So currently these are all assigned to myself, and typically that is pretty much how I would want it. But let's go ahead and show you how to remove these. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So you would either click this checkbox next to it for the ones that you want to remove altogether, or let's say you have a complete list. This is just a huge list of different video ideas I have. And so if I wanted to remove the assignees, I would go up here to the person plus sign and then click unassign. There you go. You can see that it has removed my assignment from there. Again, just either the whole one for the whole list, or you can select whichever ones you want to remove from there as well. But that's how you do a bulk removing of assignees from a ClickUp list and tasks. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below.